Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a few minutes of your time to discuss the healthcare policy paper. We know that health policy can have a major impact on health and well-being, and indeed, Healthy People 2030 includes a goal, and that is to use health policy to prevent disease and to improve health. So the first part to this paper is to select a healthcare policy issue at the local, state, or national or international level. And there are many to choose from. There are a number of topic ideas available to you here on this worksheet. Other ideas may include prescription drug prices or affordability, healthcare access to rural communities, Medicaid eligibility. I would encourage you to select a healthcare policy issue that is of interest to you because the development of this assignment will be more manageable and more comfortable if you do select a healthcare policy issue that you are passionate about. So once you have selected that healthcare policy issue, you will need to research the issue carefully. Your assignment itself will include information on the background of the healthcare policy, the implications of the issue, and proposals to solve the problem. So each of those may be a topic within your paper. You will also be asked across this paper to briefly state your own position on the issue. And so here within that paragraph where you discuss your own position on the issue, it would be acceptable to use personal pronoun I. Okay, you should include at least 3 references in addition to the textbook within this assignment. Now, please be certain that the references that you integrate into the paper are credible and peer reviewed. When we take a look at the rubric, both the assignment will be looked at in terms of both content and organization. So again, I will be looking for your discussion on the background and the implications of the issue, discussion on proposals to solve the problem, as well as your own position on the issue. Remember that each paragraph should focus on one topic and that the paragraphs should be well developed. Each paragraph should also include a topic sentence, and the paragraphs should flow in logical order. Remember that your paper should include adequate support and citations. I want to emphasize the use of credible sources. You will want to paraphrase rather than quote, and remember to proofread your paper for grammatical and APA format errors. Again, when we look at the rubric is focused not only on the content, but the organization as well. Be certain to include those topic sentences. Be certain to integrate transitions to improve flow and readability. Please do, again, proofread your paper, use spell check. I am asking that you include both a title page as well as a reference page. And each of those pages, the complete assignment should be in APA format. Your paper should be 4 to 6 pages in length, and that is excluding the title page and the reference page. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, and I look forward to discussing any questions that you have further with you. All right, thanks again.